Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Guys, in today's video I have another Van Cleef unboxing to you guys. So as you can see, the box over here, and let's to see what my hubby got me. Open this up, guys, and this is my husband's Christmas gift for me. So I don't know where I can put this one. Oh, it must be, this is the card, an authenticity card. So let's see the side. I'm excited. Oh, it's really nice. Wow, look at that. Actually, in their website says they're having a Christmas gift wrapping, and comes with this travel pouch, which is nice, and they never miss the shopping bag. So here is the item, guys. So it's so cute. Oh, they put this in the ribbon in here. So let's open up for you. This is their newest Christmas packaging this year. Oh, they just put this one. Look at this, guys. They have like a, okay, let me remove this. Oh, how cute. Look, it's like a house of Van Cleef store. Oh, it's really nice of them. Look, it's so pretty. So I'll just leave it in here. Thank you, Van Cleef. And here's the stuff, and I will put this one over here. Open, guys. Ta-da! This is the mini Frivoli necklace. Oh my god. I can't believe it's so tiny. Oh my god, it's, hold on guys, it's tangled up. There you go. Look how cute it is. I wonder how big the large size, well, it's always, the vintage one is always large anyway. But you know why I picked this one? Because the flower and a heart design, and I also like the meaningful of this necklace. How cute. It's so cute though. It really differs online, but as you can see, well, the Alhambra is more smaller, maybe because this one in the collections of Frivoli. Oh my god, it's so cute. Hopefully there's no damage. Actually, guys, I've been waiting for this. Let me look and put this one in the weight, that how many pounds of this necklace. I'll be right back, guys. So guys, I get the weigh scale in here, and I will put this one, and that is 1,000 gram, 100 gram, by the way, sorry, 100 gram. So now I put this one over here. How many actually gram in this? It's, one sec guys, let me check this out and put the whole thing in there. Okay, there you go. By the way, guys, this is the gold. I was thinking getting the white gold, but the problem is it's sold out for months now since they come out. And this one actually is sold out, but this one keep coming back in stock, but the white gold it's not. So let's do put this thing. So that one is 3.30 gram, as you can see, guys. And I think the white gold, I mean the diamond in here, let me check, guys, that how many diamond in it. Oh, let's see, please. I looked the website, Van Cleef, that the diamond itself is 0.5. Oh my god, sorry for my nails. I did my nails today and look at that. But anyway, it is so it is 0.5 only, guys, the carat of the diamond of this. So let's see how it is so beautiful. And the size only that's 15.5. It's quite small. I'm hoping that I'm gonna try this on, guys, for you so you can see. I'll just try that fix later, and I'm gonna check that again because every time I receive item from them, it's get like the glass closure is have a lot of scratch, but this one, it doesn't have scratches at all. So yeah, even in this one, I don't know if you can see, look at that, guys, it's so pretty. Can't wait to wear this. So anyway, guys, let me shut this off. So yeah, that's it for my unboxing today, guys. I hope you like this kind of content. If you do, then forget to subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.